Hello, I'm Andy from the RACV, and as part of our home trades and services, we want to share some tips and talk through some common issues around the house so you can enjoy living in your home. I'm a qualified plumber and all-round handyman, and together with other qualified trades of the RACV, we'll be bringing you a series of videos to help guide you through fixes, preventative measures, and get on top of that to-do list around the house. This video, we're going to be concentrating on those sagging doors that just won't close. Okay folks, what we have here is a common household problem. You've probably all seen it before over different seasons, with different weather. Things move and doors just won't shut. Instead of incorporating expensive tools, we're going to show you a little trick that might get your door working again by just propping the hinges up a little bit at the bottom and bring that lock back into alignment. Now, as you can see here, towards the top of the door, we have quite a nice gap, just snug into the door frame. At the bottom though, a different story. We have quite a gap that we need to realign. Now, all we're going to need here is a screwdriver, a flathead or a Phillips head, depending on what your door requires. We're going to need a pair of scissors, and we will need some sort of thin cardboard. Now, not something that's going to easily compress. We want that to be fairly strong and already compressed. I've got a drink coaster. And of course, to remain safe and stop all those nicks and cuts, we want to have some gloves on while we're working. Let's get to it. Now, this door here has 3 hinges. So what we're going to do is just loosen off the middle one, not too much. We just want it to free up the door a little bit. We're going to leave the top one done up, and we're going to go down the bottom one and undo that one. Right, now we've got the middle hinge screws loosened off, we can take the bottom ones out completely. So what I've done here is I've cut my little bit of cardboard to fit neatly behind the hinge there. Now when we screw the hinge back to the wall, what that's going to do is it's going to bring the door out of the bottom. It's going to bring that lock back up to where it needs to be. And hopefully we're going to have a door that shuts properly. Once we have our cardboard positioned behind our hinge, we can close our hinge back up and go ahead and put those screws back in where they came from. Of course, don't forget to tighten these middle ones back up. Done. Okay folks, let's quickly recap what we've done. We've had a door that wasn't quite locking properly, so we've left the top hinge as it was, we've loosened off the middle one, and we've taken the bottom screws out completely. And then we've put a little cardboard packer in there just to bring that door a little bit out of the bottom and hopefully make this lock engage. Look at that, good as new.